Turn on or off ease cursor movement between displays in Windows 11. Are you tired of your cursor getting stuck between monitors? This issue is especially noticeable in multi-monitor setups where displays aren't perfectly aligned. Let's talk about how to solve this and create a seamless multi-display experience. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why your cursor gets stuck between monitors. By default, Windows 11 uses stricter boundaries for monitor edges. This means your cursor can get trapped if your displays aren't perfectly aligned, disrupting your multitasking flow. This clunky transition can negatively affect productivity, especially in dual monitor setups, which studies show can increase productivity compared to single monitor workflows. How to configure cursor movement in Windows 11. The good news is you can fix this. There are a few ways to turn ease cursor movement between displays on or off in Windows 11. First, the easiest method is through the Windows Settings app. Just press the Windows key +I, go to System, then Display, and click on Multiple Displays. From there, you can check or uncheck the Ease Cursor Movement Between Displays box. This change is instant and applies to your current user profile. For a more administrative approach, you can use the registry editor. You'll need to navigate to a specific path and modify the Cursor Dead Zone Jumping Setting DWORD value. Setting the value to 1 enables the feature, while 0 disables it. Finally, for large-scale deployments, IT administrators can use a PowerShell script to automate this change across multiple machines. This helps ensure consistency and saves time, making it perfect for managing a multi-user environment. Use cases for enabling or disabling the feature. Deciding whether to enable or disable cursor easing depends on your workflow. For tasks like gaming or CAD, where precise cursor control is critical, you'll want to disable it to prevent the cursor from accidentally moving to another screen. However, for general multitasking and productivity, enabling cursor easing creates a smoother, more fluid experience. It can also be a valuable accessibility feature for users who have difficulty with precise mouse movements. In managed environments, IT can use this setting for roaming profiles to provide a consistent experience across different machines. The impact of cursor easing on your workflow. When enabled, cursor easing widens the pass-through zone between monitors so your mouse slides seamlessly from one screen to the next, even if they aren't perfectly aligned. When it's disabled, you need perfect alignment and the cursor can get stuck, interrupting your work. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your day-to-day productivity. Ultimately, whether you enable or disable cursor easing is a matter of personal preference and workflow requirements. The key takeaway is that Windows 11 gives you the tools to optimize your multi-monitor setup for a smoother and more efficient workflow. For more information, check out our official blog post on Turn on or off ease cursor movement between displays in Windows 11, linked in the description below.